आज चैप्टर 4 मेटल्स एंड नॉन मेटल्स के आज कंप्लीट हम एक्सरसाइज करेंगे और समझेंगे अच्छे से आंसर्स को। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। चैप्टर 4 मेटल्स एंड नॉन मेटल्स की एक्सरसाइज करेंगे। ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप्स क्वेश्चंस। पहले है चूज़ द करेक्ट आंसर। Exchange your book with your classmate and discuss your answers. First question है, which of these metals is liquid at room temperature? Answer, mercury. Second question, which of these metals have very low melting point? Answer, gallium and cesium. Third question, what is the property by virtue of which metals can be drawn into thin sheets called? तो इसका आंसर होगा malleability. Fourth question, which of these non-metals have a lustrous surface? Answer, iodine. Fifth question, which of the following alloys is made of copper and tin? Answer, bronze. Sixth, which of the following is the most reactive metal? Answer, sodium. Seventh question, which of these are obtained when zinc reacts with dilute sulfuric acid? Answer, zinc sulfate and hydrogen gas. Question number 8. Which of these is formed when non-metallic oxides are dissolved in water? Answer, acids. Which of the following metals can displace copper from copper sulfate solution? Answer, lead. 10th question, which of the following non-metals is used as lubricant in powdered form? Answer, graphite. Now, short answer type questions. Name the metals that are good conductors of electricity. Answer, metals such as copper and silver are good conductors of electricity. Second question, what is copper used to make wires for electrical fitting? Copper is used to make wires for electrical fitting as it is a good conductors of electricity and thus allows the electricity to pass through it. यहाँ पे alloy नहीं allows आएगा, and allows the electricity to pass through it. Third question, state at least 2 uses of nitrogen gas. Answer, the 2 uses of nitrogen gas are, this gas is used in many ways. What is that? Nitrogen is used in chemical industries. First use. Second use is it is used in the production of ammonia and nitrates which can be used as fertilizers. Fourth question, write the balanced chemical equations representing the reaction between aluminium and dilute hydrochloric acid. Answer, this is balanced chemical reaction. So aluminium and hydrochloric acid gives rise to what? Aluminium chloride and hydrogen gas. So we'll balance the equation. So here it is 2 aluminium. Here also we got 2 aluminium. Write 2 here. and here it is 6 chlorine and 6 hydrogen. So here hydrogen is 2 3 is 6. So hydrogen is 6 and here 2 here and 3 chloride. So here it is also balanced. Now next, fifth one, alloys are made to improve the properties of metal. Comment. Answer. Alloys are made to improve the properties of metals. For example, iron in its pure state is very soft and stretches easily when hot. Thus, iron cannot be used in this form. It is therefore mixed with other elements to form alloys which possesses better characteristics than pure iron. Question number 6. Why is pure gold not used to make jewelry? Why is pure gold not used to make jewelry? Answer. Gold in its pure state is very soft. Thus, it cannot be used to make jewelry in this form. Long answer type questions. Differentiate between metals and non-metals on the basis of malleability, ductility, reactions with acids and reactions with water. So malleability. Metals are malleable whereas non-metals are brittle. Ductility. Metals are ductile whereas non-metals are brittle. Reactions with acid. Metals. Reaction of an acid with a metal leads to the production of a salt and hydrogen gas. Metal plus acid gives rise to salt and hydrogen gas. Non-metals, they do not generally react with acids. Reaction with water. Metals, most of the metals react with water to form a metal oxide and hydrogen gas. Metal plus water gives rise to metal oxide and hydrogen gas. Here non-metals, they do not react with water. Second question, what is corrosion? What is corrosion? Explain with the help of examples. The process of gradual destruction of metal due to attack of atmospheric gases and moisture on its surface is called corrosion. Example, when iron is exposed to the moist air for a long time, a coating of brown flaky substance called rust is formed on it. The corrosion of iron is called rusting. Question number 3. What happens when sodium is added to water? Also write the balanced chemical equations representing it. Answer. Sodium reacts violently with cold water. This reaction releases a lot of heat which is sufficient for the hydrogen gas released to catch fire. Answer. Sodium when reacts with water gives rise to sodium hydroxide and hydrogen gas. So this is a balanced chemical reaction. Question number 4. Why are sodium and potassium stored under kerosene? Answer. Sodium and potassium are stored in kerosene because they are highly reactive elements. They can easily catch fire even when in contact with air. This is answer number 4. Now next question. Explain the steps that are involved in the process of metallurgy. So these are the steps. So step number 1, concentration of the ore. In this process, the impurities from the ore, that is gangue, are removed. Step number 2, reduction. First one was concentration of the ore, second one is step reduction. These are the process of metallurgy. So step number 2, reduction. The refined ore then undergoes reduction where the metal ore is reduced to get the metal in its free state. Once again, reduction. The refined ore then undergoes reduction where the metal ore is reduced to get the metal in its free state. Step number 3, refining of metal. Step number 3, refining of metal. The metal thus obtained is impure. Hence, it undergoes the third stage of refining, in which it is purified. So this was the exercise of chapter number 4, metals and non-metals. For further exercises and next chapters, so please do like and subscribe the channel. Till then, take care and bye bye.